So this is an update on that car. As you can see, it is no longer the factory color, but this is a color that was so kindly given to us by some OG spray painter. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's like a charcoal gray vibe. Pops has sprayed this himself actually, so he still needs to do like a polish and a buff and stuff. So as you might have seen, not obviously complete yet. It is a 2K color, so not base coat. So yeah, it just needs a little bit more love and water sanding and whatnot. But this is the not yet the finished result, but it's the color at least. I think it suits it quite well. Not too bad. If anything, it will hide most of the bad bodywork basically. What's definitely gonna happen is like tire marks over here, and yeah, so that's basically the color of the Cressida. Another thing that was also done to this car, so as discussed in the last video, it's like the oil gallery gasket. That is the exact name for this thing. So they tend to go bad on second-hand or higher mileage VQ35 HR engines, and that's the cause of the oil pressure drop that we were previously experiencing. So what that means is the car is officially ready to go onto the rollers. We'll probably pick up a few issues here and there. Cross fingers that we don't still have that, you know. Hopefully everything runs flawlessly. But yeah, chances of that is, if you've built cars before, you know, this is hardly ever the case. So that's good news for the Cressida then. That means that yeah, we are going to be sliding soon. If you guys didn't know, the heels is open, so there will at least be some place to practice. Or to be honest with you, I was actually going to, or I wanted to go there today because there's a practice day there today. But yeah, I don't know how familiar you guys are with the area that the hills is in, but there's quite a lot of gang violence going on there in that area for the last few weeks, I'd say. So yeah, it's quite risky to go there. I don't think I'm gonna take the chance. We wanted to fix that horrendous gap. Perfect.
It takes you work to check.
Sisa.
Morning, Pa. I'm ready for you. I'm just waiting here to get the car wash.
Is moet ek dit die car wash ja. Ja.
That tension pa.
Yeah.
We moet check en die op kan jy dis.
Try it out. I'm gonna get away there.
Can that also with?
No, it's on. Yo. Jason's trying to kill me with the crowbar.
Oh, it's tight.
See? It's tight. No, Buchan.
No, I can't do it. I can't reach it up because it's
Yeah.
on this.
Get a prior. Where's the prior, mate? Get the prior. Turn it, yeah.
Ah, turn it out, eh?
Fantastic. What?
Look at the tall spring, no?
Yeah. Solid.
There's the horrendous gap.
Try it out, mate.
Try it. Yeah, there we go, mate. It's amazing, yeah? Now we got 2 stock springs. So how do we get that shorter? Let me show you a trick. Tape measure, please, Jason. Let the professional spring cutter show you how this is done. Sorry, jou maat. Sorry, jou baas.
Ons nou sien.
Oh, yeah, we are again going with the iron.
Nee, jou pa se oog is in. Fuck.
I tried. I always get criticized when I'm in.
No.
So this is the smash and grab tinted glasses, that safety glasses that we use. So yeah, your eyes need to be working
200%.
Yeah, so that's the POV. Yeah. Yeah, I can't see. Nah, you must just look at it so in the angle, man. Then you can see, get a clear spot like that. So through the corner of the eye.
They're gonna drop in the comments.
Yeah, safety third, Moose. I haven't told them now, safety third. See?
What's it called? PPE.
PPE. Yeah, safety third.
People's person. People's person.
Oh, you mean yeah?
Auto blocking.
Check. Right, here we go.
Hey man.
Right, I've got the brain.
My name is Martin.
Potter.
Okay, I know. But I see yes now, I'm push on you. Can you go? Beautiful.
Ah,
Alright, other side.
not other side. Other side.
Other side, yeah.
Yeah, no more horrendous gap in the back. The front is next. They require more removal of some things to get the thing out. Yo,
Government say this job.
government say there's a lot of work, there's nothing work. Do you have President Bush there in that shock there, Big Weaver?
Yeah, it is in there. As you move. So you turn in the chair.
Yeah, show them how it's done, Jason.
Come on, Cherry.
Yeah, you've got this, mate. Fire away, mate. Yeah, twist, mate. Twist. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's going
Where's this
for it.
blanket?
He's going now, mate.
This blanket on there, mate.
Yeah. Sorry, mate. Ah. There we
Relax,
go, mate.
guys. Don't be wild.
Go, mate.
Turn him to the
Go,
left.
mate.
To the left.
Harap. Yeah, mate.
Nog bicara, nog klein bicara.
Yeah, mate.
Smart.
Yeah, no, that's alright, mate. That, mate, it's gonna sit, yeah? Mate, it's alright, mate. Oh.
And is work. There's nothing.
Yeah, mate. And That's how you drop. So that's gonna come off now because stud is snapped. The gun is right here. Needs to come off because it's broken. So
Again, safety first.
no safety.
Third.
Third, yeah.
Nah, it's not that bug. It's a normal.
Okay.
If you know, you know.
Put the thing come off. There's nothing still here.
No,
Oh, onto the inside.
that clears you.
Okay. Alright,
Now, the handbrake. No ditch.
Yeah, man.
Yo. Nothing left on the handbrake.
No, we must just get fresh shoes for him.
Right, mate.
Amor.
Nice, man. Leave it in there, man.
No, man.
No, leave it in there.
Hey, just children of mine. I know how to get my blood pressure going. Hey, on the, let me just check if I've got.
Too much talk.
Yeah, too much talk.
And you're just driving it.
So don't talk too much. Just action.
Guys, if you didn't know, we only use the one while you were driving. And if we pop, we use both.
Yeah, so you see, I don't know if we're gonna have like how the intake is gonna be. What I actually wanted to do with this thing was, no, I wanted to do something that I saw on Hoonigan on a couple of years ago. One of their cars, they had the air intake like running to the inside of the car, and the way that sounded crazy, bruh. So I don't know, maybe one inside, one outside.
No stacks in this car.
No stack, sis.
Now already.
We no stack, man. Sis. Not that. Gonna have a nice cold air induction. Oh, Jason's looking for smoke, bro. Jason's looking
Every
for smoke.
10th spin car has a stack on, so you know.
Wanna. They all sound so Juananan. I don't like us. People in Cape Town overdid a stack, man. Now it's.
Even the road cars have stacks on.
Yo, you know when you see that one guy with a velocity,
Yeah.
1.4i velocity. Yo, yeah, Picanto. We want to weld the diff because the diff is not welded yet. So, all the studs are in now. We didn't weld the diff, it's too late for that. So we're just gonna test already. Look at that already. You can see a difference already. My head would fit in there before.
Beneath the... No. What do you call that thing? Speaker.
Oh, the speaker, yeah.
Where is it?
Isn't it on the back?
It probably fell out somewhere there.
There's too much squat in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't take on there. Too short.
Really?
The one takes. But it'll work with the pop wheel. It's longer.
Oh, that stud isn't far. I didn't pull it in far enough.
At least now it's done.
That's. I know. I wonder how this thing will run on a quarter.
You go was standing for. I started it out the first time. For what now?
Hello, pa. This is my fault, pa.
For what?
Why the call take so long?
Who is to blame for this thing that's standing here?
There's a few pressure regulators leaking. Out here. So I must get the other one.
So just that fuel pressure regulator is leaking, and what else, Pops?
No, I'm done. The car must just go to clean.
Okay. So you heard it straight now from the OG.
Yes.
It must just go on the rollers.
Yeah, but
So-
it's not first priority now, so
Yeah, I know there's
I'm
other
waiting
things.
to arrive.
Oh,
That's
easy. Oh, okay. Yeah, but soon. I'm not going to put a time frame on it because then people are going to hold us accountable for it. But everything is ready, just needs to go on the rollers. If you're wondering. Yeah, it's just life is lifing.